Well, hello there my friends, welcome back to the Scott Reed Project. Now over here in Blighty, good old England, the sun has been shining for 3 days, which over here counts as summer. So today I thought I would do a beautiful burger. Now there are a gazillion burger recipes out there, but I thought I'd do something a little different. I thought I'd do a doner kebab burger. Who doesn't like a doner kebab? If you've been on the lash with your mates, a lot of leaping, a lot of shrieking round the pubs, you've had a few scoops at the end of the night, it's doner kebab, baby. Absolutely wonderful. Now again, lots of doner kebab recipes on YouTube, and they all involve a little bit more work. By that I mean you make the mix, you can put it in a loaf tin, cook it that way, then you have to take it out, either brown it off under the grill or a blowtorch. But I thought I would make a burger, very simple, all the ingredients into the mince, get it on the barbie, mate. So as you can see then, a plethora of ingredients. First thing I want to talk about the meat. Obviously we're using lamb mince. Just have a look at that mince there. That is lamb mince from a butcher. How lamb mince should look compared to this, I don't know what it is. Where's my knife? This anemic looking rubbish. Just have a look at it and look how finely ground it is. I mean, the popular misconception is butchers are more expensive than supermarkets. Absolute rubbish. Go to your butcher, support your butcher, you're going to get a better product and it's virtually the same price. So from one of the top leading supermarkets, 400 grams of this toss was £4. From a proper butcher's, traditional butcher's, 600 grams, I paid $4.79. Simple, innit? Which one are you going to go for? Anyway, that's enough of that. First thing we want to do then is we're going to get our kebab mix sorted. And then what we're going to do, as you can see, there's some ingredients around here. I'm going to make a very simple tzatziki sauce, obviously natural yogurt, Greek style yogurt, some cucumber and some garlic. Then I'm just going to lightly pickle some red onion with some lemon juice. Then onto this beautiful array of spices. So what we've got here then, I'm not reading this honest, is 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of onion granules. I got half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of oregano. I will put this in the description. And I've got like a little pinch of chili here for a bit of heat, up to you how much you want to put in. Then I'm going to crush 2 garlic cloves in, and I've got 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley. So couldn't be easier. Into a bowl goes a beautiful, beautiful lamb mince. And then our teaspoon of cumin, our teaspoon of coriander, our teaspoon of onion granules, our teaspoon of oregano, our half a teaspoon of paprika, our chili flakes. I mean, what you can do is you can mix this up, take a ball off, fry it in the frying pan and just check for heat. If you like it hot, whack it in, go for it. And then 2 tablespoons of the parsley. Clear as you go, clean as you go, as the old butchers used to say. So then I'm just going to quickly do these garlic. I mean, if you've got a crusher, garlic crusher, do it that way. If you find that easier, not a problem. Failing that, just put, I suppose, a teaspoon of garlic granules in, but I just like the freshness. Nice and simple. 2 cloves of garlic in. Then just get your hands in. I'm just going to add a little bit more parsley And I'm going to live on the edge and add a touch more chilli. And give it a mix. So, good pinch of salt. Now people go, oh, you shouldn't salt your meat, it makes it tough. Take no notice. Absolute rubbish. And then a good pinch of pepper. So just to get it to bind, add 1 egg. Give it a good mix through the fingers. Get a really good bind on it. I mean, that smells absolutely awesome. Just have a look at it. So, out onto your board. Just give it one final knead. Bring it together. In half again. That smell. Giving us 4 beautiful burgers. So what I'm going to do, just shape them by hand, just pat them out, not too fussy. And then I'm going to get these on a plate, get them in the fridge. Very simple look, just round in the hand. They are going to be absolutely superb. Nice, thick burger. Good fat content in this mince as well. This minced lamb is what you need. They look a bit of all right. So onto a plate in the fridge. They will firm up. Let all those flavours marry. Next, we will start on our lightly pickled onions. Don't they look good? So next then, we're on to our pickled onions. Very simple. Onion, lemon, salt. Just a quick note on the bun. None of that poncy brioche stuff. Just a decent roll. Bread roll from a baker's, not the supermarket. Get a decent one from a reputable baker. Next, we will make the pickled onions. Where's my knife? So just taking off the skin of the onion. And if you've got that outer tough one, take that off. Save that for later in the year. Because of course the sun is shining, so winter is miles away. Or if you believe the weather forecast, 3 days time. So red onion, what you need to do, very thinly sliced. Just take your time, don't go mad. Watch your fingers. Beautiful. Into a bowl, a pinch of salt. Oh my God, he's cutting stuff on the board he cut meat on, but I washed it. So just letting it drip through the hands. The juice of a lemon, and then just massage that lemon juice and that salt into the onions, and then just leave them out. Pickled onions. Next on the list then, that tzatziki, some lovely Greek yogurt. So we want about 150 ml. We'll eyeball it. Yes, I'm dipping my finger into yogurt. I'm putting it in my mouth. Oh my God. I've gone mad. Next, we want to add the cucumber element. Half a cucumber. We'll peel it. Not being too fussy. This is real food for real people. This ain't no Michelin-starred restaurant. So next, we just want to core it. Very simple. Teaspoon, drag, limp drag, limp drag. Just get that watery core out. Then we just want to grate it, coarsely grate it. So there's our cucumber. We need a clean tea towel. As if by magic, get our cucumber in there, fold it up, and then just get rid of the moisture. Just have a look at that. Slipping through my fingers. In to our beautiful yogurt. So there you go then. That Greek yogurt, half a cucumber, bit of salt, and the juice of half a lemon. Just going to take it that little bit further and put in a little bit of chopped garlic. Again, just building up the layers of flavour. Right. Okay then, so what have we got so far? We got that lovely tzatziki, that Greek yogurt, the grated cucumber, garlic, lemon juice and salt. Then we got those lovely pickled red onions working their magic. Red onions, lemon juice, salt. And then them beautiful, absolutely stunning doner kebab burgers. Now these all need to go back in the fridge for a couple of hours. Even better with all of this if you make it the day before. I'm going to fire up the Barbie and we're going to cook one. But doesn't it look good enough to eat already? Give me fire, baby. So these have turned out absolutely spectacular. They smell absolutely amazing. That lovely bit of char on it, got to have that char. I think it's time to just get in there and build one. So just, like I said, a good roll. I'm going to put some of that tzatziki on, that beautiful cooling yogurt and cucumber. Of course, the obligatory lettuce, one of those fantastic burgers, tomato, and then finish it with a little bit of the pickled onion. And there you have it. Oh, God. If you wonder why I'm not saying much, it's because they are flipping gorgeous. Delivery. What could it be? Oh, look. Right, I'm going to eat this. Let's stop piddling about. One word. Awesome. They were absolutely fantastic. I mean, really, really, really good. I mean, the flavour was right in there. That balance of those herbs, those aromats, you know, tip top, if I may say so myself. So if you've enjoyed what you've seen here today on the SRP, please click subscribe when my lovely face comes down here. Also find me on my social media. You will see all the little icons in the show bar on my Facebook, 2 pages, Scott Rea, The Scott Rea Project. Get on there, click like and follow. Also on my Twitter at Scott Rea Project, on my Instagram at Scott Rea Project, I think. And also please, if you want to help the channel move on and share some love, check out my Patreon page. But until next time, honestly, when the sun's shining, try these SRP Doner burgers. All the best. Take care, my friends.